My name is Patricia and I'm an accounts manager at Athena Analytics. I first heard of Athena Analytics from a friend of mine, and she was really impressed with the level of detail that she was able to find out about her students and also identify students who needed extra support. After the pandemic, I knew that I needed a new challenge, and working in Athena provided me with this opportunity. It allows me to work and live in Kerry, where I'm at my happiest, and also I'm able to combine my passions for the education system with my love of analytics. My first impression of working here was that it was a really friendly environment. It was very welcoming. As a new member of staff, it was really easy to fit in. It's also very supportive, and Emily and the other members have been really supportive to me in my other projects, such as my professional doctorate.